Okay, hey kids, how are you today? I was in my car and I was driving to home and I see something that could maybe interest you. So, yeah, I want to show you something very cool. Look, all those tractors. Let's go. Let's check here. Is there any truck, something? No? Let's go check the truck. Wow, look at that. Is there a way that we can go there? There's a lot of snow, sure. Wow. Wow, look at that truck. Wow. So nice. Big wheels. Wow. That's cool. Beautiful. The little one there. Old school. Let's see another one. Look, the big wheel. Wow. Look at that one. Oh, the red one. Beautiful. Look, the big truck. Those are for farming or to push the snow, because in Canada there's a lot of snow. Yeah, snow. S-N-O-W. Snow, it's cold. Cold. Wow. A big wheel. Tractor. Let's check it. Another one. Oh, the blue one is beautiful. Oh, it's cool. Look at that eyes. It's look like a monster. So nice. Very cool. Do you think we can see inside? Yeah. That's nice. You can see the steering, the driver's seat. Look, that wheel. Wow. Did you ever see a light big with that like that one? Wow. Hello. Beautiful. I love truck. I love tractors. Those are made for farming or in Canada to push snow. Yeah, snow. That's cool. I'm so happy that we have the opportunity to see some tractors. That one is huge. Wow. Look, that one. Wow. A John Deere. John Deere is the company of this truck, the brand. Hello, John. That's so cool. Okay, guys. See you later. Bye-bye. Bye.